Hi guys, the first exam this year, MAT exam, which is going to happen, will happen now online. Yeah, so this is the first change, major change. A lot of us were thinking in today's chat also whether exam will get postponed or not. All the exams are going to happen. If not physical, you can't go to center. Center will come to your house. Yeah, so MAT is also now going to be connected online. So IMA, which conduct the MAT exam, is connecting the MAT to the remote proctoring. So live, you'll be sitting at home live. There will be camera as well. So obviously there's minimum chance of cheating. So AI based, artificial intelligence based live proctoring will be done so that you can take the home safely from your exam from your home. Yeah, MAT is accepted by a lot of colleges. Now DT this year is not accepting the MAT score. That is what the official news came. So Bajaj, Sydenham is not going to accept the MAT score. But there are other B schools which are accepting. So ctking.com/MAT, you can check out the list of the colleges which are accepting MAT ka score, and then you can apply if you want to apply there. Yeah, so they are using the remote proctoring internet based test to conduct the exam. Same way GMAT also is happening now online. So I made a video about that earlier. So the same way अभी हम सबके मन में वही चीज़ चल रहा है, ये तो पक्का चीटिंग होने वाली है. ठीक है, सबके मन में सब सोच रहे हैं. सी इफ वी आर एज अ इंडियन वी कैन चीट, बट डोंट वरी, एग्जाम इज ऑल्सो इन इंडियन, ही विल मेक श्योर कि चीटिंग ना हो पाए. सो देयर हैव टू बी लाइव वेब कैमरा ऑन योर फेस, then only you can take a test. There will be that condition that there have to be a camera. So now the students who don't have a camera based laptop, like laptop obviously have an inbuilt camera, but those who have a desktop or those who don't have a computer at home, उनको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है. तो obviously the number of applicants might fall down. The MAT is normally conducted 4 times a year in over 60 cities. Will 1 lakh people apply for the MAT exam, both paper-based and online. And now with this technology, they're going to conduct the test online across everyone. And the college which are accepting the MAT score is given in the description box. I given the list of colleges which are there. Yeah. How the system will work? Bocconi is conducting the test online. GMAT is conducted online. The first exam which is going online in India today is MAT. Let's hope कि जल्दी से जल्दी सब ठीक हो जाए so that other exam don't go online. Yeah, I know it's more comfortable to give the exam at home, but in the other end it's not physically not possible as well to be sincere or to be not able to attend the classes, all those things. So obviously it's a both ups and downs. So please comment. Now let's try to be thoda innovative. Find the way you can cheat the exam. There's a camera in front of you. Yeah. तो तुम कैसे चीट कर सकते हो बताओ मेरे को. लेट्स यूज द ब्रेन. वन थिंग आई वाज थिंकिंग हाउ यू कैन कीप द बुक्स ऑन योर लैप. कैमरा आपकी नज़रों को अगर फॉलो कर रहा है, वो योर आईज आर लुकिंग डाउन, दैट कैन बी लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन, दैट कैन बी लुकिंग एट द पेपर एंड पेन, और यू कैन राइट द फॉर्मूलाज ऑन पेपर एंड पेन. सी यू नीड टू यूज अ रफ शीट. तो रफ शीट पे अगर मैं सारे फॉर्मूले लिख लेता हूँ तो आई कैन डू दैट, बट दैट वोंट हेल्प यू इनफ. ऑब्वियसली आई कांट टॉप द एग्जाम यूजिंग दैट थिंग, बट चीटिंग करने वाले तो कर ही लेते हैं. ठीक है, मैं तो कहता हूँ भाई इंजीनियर, शायद ही कोई इंजीनियर होगा जो बिना चीटिंग के पास किया है. सच्ची बताना, अगर कोई इंजीनियर है जो बिना चीटिंग के पास हुआ तो ठीक है. यहाँ इंजीनियर मेरे जैसे, मैं तो भैया हमें तो पास होना, भाई मेरे को पब्लिक कहता अनएथिकल ये वो, भैया मेरे को पास होना है, मेरे को 4 साल में डिग्री लेके निकलना है, यहाँ से जॉब लेके निकलना है, उसके लिए चीटिंग करनी पड़े, आई डोंट माइंड. ठीक है, जोक्स अपार्ट. सो डू कमेंट हाउ यू फील अबाउट दैट. सो दिस कैन बी द फ्यूचर इफ द लॉकडाउन इज नॉट happening, if the things are not getting sorted, so this will be the way forward. But I assume within next 1-2 months everything becomes sorted. November तक CAT आते बाकी एग्जाम आते I think everything will be sorted out. Yeah, but MAT is the first exam which is happening online now via web camera. Alright, all the best.